ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಆರಂಭಿಸಿರುವ ಶಕ್ತಿ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಫಾರಂ ಮತ್ತು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತು ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಡೀನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಪಟ್ಟಾಭಿ ಅವರು ಶಕ್ತಿ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಫಾರಂ ಅನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು.
I'll be just telling you briefly what is research, because it's about research forum, and I have inaugurated the Shakti Research Forum. Briefly, what is research and why do we have to do research, and I'll give you a couple of examples. And the first question comes to all the students is, what is research? Because you might have heard of research, you might have heard of Dr. C.V. Raman, the greatest scientist which the independent India had produced with the Nobel Prize, and of course there are many other scientists in this country who are equally strong and who are equally good scientists during this last couple of hundred of years or even thousands of years back. So what is research? Research, when you think that you should be like C.V. Raman or somebody like that. You require a laboratory. You might have seen some laboratories, at least in the pictures, a great institution or great rooms with beautiful equipments or the very sophisticated instruments costing crores of rupees. It is not. Research is not that. Research is simply following your curiosity. All of you have curiosity, right? Every child has a curiosity. When you start as a child, you are given some toy. If you don't have money to buy a toy, then you would have had something which is found on the street or near your house. You try to explore that. You try to see from different angles. If you are not very happy, you break it open and see what is there inside. That is the curiosity, and that is research.
ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ನ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯನ್ನು ಭಾರತೀಯ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಸಿ.ಎ. ಶಾಂತಾರಾಮ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ನೆರವೇರಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು.
So in this situation, I think Shakti Education has taken a right step in the right time. This is the most required thing to teach the student in this level, because career guidance is most important. Otherwise there is a chance of dropping out the student without any guidance. So my special request to students, so there are three ways to choosing the course. One, the first way is your own choice, because nobody is telling your own choice, commerce, science or arts. The second choice, the situation warrants him or all take the course. Third is accidental. And chartered accountancy also, so many, I think I am not explaining the eligibility and all. I think you must be know, your teachers also must be know. CA is very simple, entry is easy, exit is little tough. I think so many people believe that if you are lucky only you will pass CA. No. Your hard work and your dedication is most required. Once you pass CA you are lucky, but passing CA luck is not required. So very important. Chartered accountancy course I think you can pursue. After the second PU you can take a foundation course. Once the foundation course if you pass, you can join a IPCC. If you pass one group, you can take the articleship under any chartered accountant for 3 years. So there is a direct entry stream. If you have a commerce, if you have a just 55% commerce student, other than the commerce stream 60% you are eligible to join directly to chartered accountancy. I think one of the best course I belong. I am not appreciating I am chartered accountant. It is really a wonderful course. I think very cheapest course. Only thing is your dedication, goal is required, otherwise no.
ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಆಡಳಿತಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೆ.ಸಿ. ನಾಯಕ್, ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿ. ಮುರಳೀಧರ್ ನಾಯಕ್, ಮುಖ್ಯ ಸಲಹೆಗಾರ ರಮೇಶ್ ಕೆ, ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಪ್ರಖ್ಯಾತ್ ರೈ, ಶಕ್ತಿ ಪ್ರೀ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸಂಯೋಜಕಿ ಸೀಮಾ ಸಕ್ಸೇನಾ, ಶಕ್ತಿ ಪದವಿಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲ ಸುಧೀರ್ ಎಂ.ಕೆ, ಶಕ್ತಿ ವಸತಿ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಕಾಮತ್ ಮುಂತಾದವರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.